How to fix Snapchat Allow camera. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and scroll down, go now to storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK, and now you have to go to permissions and go to camera, and you have to allow only while using the app, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.